Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn the basics of Arduino coding and we will understand every line of code of Blink LED program. Usually every programmer starts coding with the Hello World in any platform. Blinking LEDs that Hello World program of Arduino IDE. The reason behind starting with this program is that by blinking LED you would be able to write some line of codes and can see its execution on hardware easily. There are two ways to blink LED, either connect an external LED with register or use built-in LED and blink it. There are several students who avoid writing codes as much as they can. Honestly speaking, if you start from the basic programs, coding won't be difficult anymore. Since we are going to write a program to blink LED, so for those people who don't know about LED, let's have a quick introduction of LEDs first. Light emitting diodes are normally known as LED. LEDs are tiny light bulbs that can easily be used in electrical circuits. The main characteristics of LED is that they don't get hot or burn out since there is no filament in it. They are quite smaller in size, but they produce large amount of light. Physically, they have two leads that are commonly known as anode, that is positive, and cathode, that is negative. That was just a quick overview of LED. If you have to blink LED, it would take only few lines of codes. If you observe this code closely, you will realize that some part of code is black or dim and some part is colorful. This black or dim part is comments of the program. Comments are that part of program that is written specifically for programmer or reader to explain the functionality of program. Comments do not take space in microcontroller's flash memory. They are also ignored by the compiler. There are two types of comments, that is single line comment and block comment or multi-line comment. Single line comment begins with two adjacent slashes and block comment is started and ended by a slash and asterisk. Sometimes comments are also useful to comment out that specific line of codes that you don't want to execute at that time. You don't have to write the code again and again, just comment out that part. Next we have some main functions of the code, that is setup, loop, pin mode, digital write and delay. We will study them one by one in detail. Setup function is written at the start of Arduino code or Arduino sketch. It is mainly used to initialize pin modes, variables, etc. It is executed only once when Arduino board is powered up or reset. The syntax of setup is shown here: void setup and then brackets, empty brackets. Then we have loop. As the name suggests, loop executes all the line of codes present in it continuously. It actively controls the whole Arduino board. The syntax is shown here: void loop and then empty brackets. Pin mode is used to configure the specific pin as an input or output. The syntax is shown here. There are two attributes in it, that is the pin number and the mode you want to set. It can be either input or output. Then we have digital write. Digital write is used to write a high or low value to any digital pin. Here high referred as 5 volt or 3.3 volts and low referred to ground or 0 volts. In syntax you have to specify two attributes in it, that is the pin number and high or low value. Then we have delay command. Delay command is used to pause the program for a specific amount of time in milliseconds, and you have to specify this amount in its syntax as shown here. In last video tutorial, we compiled and uploaded the example program to blink the built-in LED. Now we will attach an external LED and then we will blink it. All you have to do, insert the positive pin or long lead of LED in pin 13 of Arduino and insert a negative pin in the ground of Arduino and then connect the Arduino board with PC. Once the hardware is set up, make sure that Arduino is connected with PC. Let's write the code to blink it. Open Arduino IDE and start a new sketch. First of all, I am adding a comment in the beginning to inform the readers that what is the functionality of this code. Hashdefine is a useful C component that allows the user to give a name to the constant value before the program is compiled. Then I have to define the mode of this pin as an output with the help of pin mode command. Blinking LED means LED will go high and then low continuously. So first write it as a high, then insert a pause of 1000 milliseconds, then write it as a low and then insert a pause. This loop would be executed continuously until Arduino is powered off. The coding is done and it is compiled. After compilation, it will be uploaded and we will see the results. That was all for today. See you next time with the programming of 7 segment. If you have learned from this tutorial, then please appreciate us by pressing the like button. Do subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.